Hello viewers, you are welcome to LuswataDotcon, where we can learn mathematics with me, LuswataDotcon, your teacher. And our next topic is binomial theorem. The Pascal triangle. This is 1, this is 1, 1, this is 1. You add this one to this and you get 2. That is 1. This is 1. This is 3, 3, 1. This is 1. This is 4, 6, 4, 1. This is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. This is 1. You add this one to this, you get 6. Add this one to this, you get 15. This one, you add this to this, you get 20. You add this one to this, you get 15. Add 5 to 1, you get 6. And this one should be 1. Now, this one is used. I can take an example. You can say expand. Expand A. Expand. Expand A. A plus B, raise it to the power 3. B. A plus B, power 5, power 5. The solution. A. We have A plus B, power 3. We write it like this. Start with the highest power. This is A power 3. This one will be A power 2, B. Then we have A power 1, B power 2, and lastly B power 3. Now, this is A power 1 times A power 2 times B power 1. Then we add in, we consider this one of 133. That is, consider 133. Consider 1, 3, 3, 1. So we shall be having A cubed plus 3 A squared B plus 3 A B squared plus B cubed. And that should be the answer. Then part B. It is A power 5, A plus B power 5. You consider the expansion. This is A power, this one is power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4, power 5. So I consider 1, 5, 10, 10, then 5, then 1. So here we shall be having, I take A power 5, then A power 5, power 4, B power 1, then A power 3, B power 2, then A power 2, B power 3, then A power 1, B power 4, and then we have B power 5. Then you put in these coefficients. This one becomes 5, this one is 10, this one is 10, this one is 5, and that is 1. Then you insert in the plus signs, the plus signs, the plus signs, the plus signs. And that is the answer to that. Okay? We can say expand. Let me say x minus 2 power 4. The solution. The solution. We have x minus 2 power 4. This one is x plus a negative 2 power 4. We use 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So, x plus negative 2 power 4. I write, this is x power 4, this is x power 3 times negative 2 plus x, plus, this one should be x power 2 times negative 2 squared then x power 1 into negative 2 power 3. Then x, this is negative 2 x power 4. Then you insert these values. 1, 4, this is 4, this is 6, this is 4. Then put in the plus signs. Plus signs, plus sign, plus signs. And this one gives us x power 4. Then negative 2 times 4, it becomes minus 8x cubed. And then this one is positive 4 times 6, that is 24x squared. Then this one is negative 8 times 4, it becomes negative 32x, then plus 16. And that is the answer to this. That is how we expand. When we're expanding a plus b power n, it should be a power n, nc0, that is number of combination, n combination is 0, a power n b power 0, plus nc1, a power n minus 1 b1, plus nc2, a power n minus b power 2, then plus nc3, a power n minus 3 b power 3, and so on. So this one can be written as this. You write the combination n factorial over n minus 0 factorial 0 factorial a power n b 0 plus n factorial over n minus 1 factorial times 1 factorial times a power n minus 1 b power 1 plus this is n factorial over n minus 2 factorial 2 factorial a power n power 2 b power 2 plus and so on in that order. Now when we simplify a plus b power n, this one will equal to a power n plus n into a power n minus 1 b power 1 over 1 factorial plus n into a minus 1 over 2 factorial times a power n minus 2 b power 2 plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 over 3 factorial times a power n minus 3 times b factorial. Now, this is what we call the binomial theorem. Example, expand a, x plus 2 power 3, b, x plus 3 power 4. So, the first part, the solution. That is x plus 2 power 3. This one will equal to x power 3 plus, this is the 3 over 1 factorial, then x power 2 times 2 plus 3 times 2 over 2 factorial into x power 1 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 times 1 over 3 factorial times x power 0, this is x power 0 times 2 power 3. So this one becomes x cubed plus 2 times 3, that is 6x squared. 2 factorial is 2 times 1, which is 2. So here we have 3. These two cancel with that. 3 times 4, it becomes 12. Then power x, then plus. 3 times 2 times 1 is 3 factorial. And x power 0 is 0. So this one cancels with 3 factorial. And we shall be having 2 power 3, which is 8. And that should be the answer to that. Then part B, we have x plus 3 power 4. Again, this one will be x power 4 plus 4 over 1 factorial times x power 3 times 3 power 1 plus 4 times 3 over 2 factorial x power 2 times 3 power 2 plus 4 times 3 times 2 over 3 factorial times x power 1 times 3 power 2, then plus 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 4 factorial times x power 0 times 3 power 4. So this one simplifies to x power 4, then plus 4 times 3, that is 12. X cubed. The 2 factorial can cancel. We shall be having 6 times 9. 6 times 9, that is 54. 54 x squared. Then plus 4. 4 times 27. 4 times 27. That is 54 times 2. That is 108 x. Then here we shall be having 4 factorial cancels. This is x power 0. So this is plus 81. That should be the answer to that. X, you write it as power n. This one will equal to 1 plus nx over 1 factorial plus n into n minus 1 over 2 factorial x squared plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 over 3 factorial x power 3 plus and so on. So 1 plus x into power half. This one will equal to 1 plus a half x over 1 factorial plus a half times, this is 1, a half minus 1 over 2 factorial x squared plus, this one will be a half times negative a half times negative 3 out of 2 over 3 factorial. This one into x cubed and so on. So what we have is 1 plus a half x. Then this one plus, this one gives us a half times negative a half over 2 factorial x squared. Then plus, this is 3 over 8 times 3 factorial x cubed plus, this one gives us 1 plus a half x, then minus 1 out of 8x squared, then plus, this is 3, and 3 cancels. This one is 8 times 2 out of 16, x cubed, plus, and so on. That is the answer. Expand in descending power of x. Part A, 1 over x plus 1. B, 1 plus x raised to the power a half. So this one out of x plus 1. So this one is the same thing as x into 1 plus 1 out of x. The whole lot, you raise it to the power negative 1. So this one becomes x power negative 1 in bracket 1 plus 1 out of x raised to the power negative 1. Then you consider this part. Consider 1 plus 1 out of x raised to the power negative 1. And we write 1 plus 1 out of x raised to the power negative 1 as 1 plus negative 1 times 1 out of x over 1 factorial plus negative 1 times negative 2 out of 2 factorial times 1 out of x raised to the power 2, then plus negative 1 times negative 2 times negative 3 out of 3 factorial times 1 out of x raised to the power 3, and so on. So what I have here is 1 minus 1 out of x, then plus, this is 1 out of x squared plus, this one gives us, it is a minus 1 out of x cubed, and so on. So the x power negative 1 into 1 plus 1 out of x power negative 1. Now this one becomes, I multiply by that x, this is x power negative 1, then plus x minus x power negative 2, then plus x power negative 3, then plus, it should be a minus x power negative 4, then plus, and so on. Okay. This is enough of today. Next time we shall be talking of another topic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. Thank you very much. Remain yours, LuswataDotcon Learn.